Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create custom autofill list in Microsoft Excel. Yes, I'll be teaching you how you can create your own custom autofill list in Microsoft Excel. Now, there are two methods that allows you to create your own custom autofill list in Microsoft Excel. They include method 1 using the new list option and method 2 using the import option. So method 1 is what using the new list option, and method 2 is just using the import option. I will explain. The question that comes to mind is, what do we mean by autofill? Autofill is a feature in Excel that allows you to create lists, series of or list of things. Okay, for example, let's say I want to type the number of days that we have in a week. Okay, let's say I want to type the number of days that we have in a week. If I type here Monday and I press enter, now you don't need to type Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday like that. The reason is because Excel has already created this list for you. So all you just need to do is to just go to the place. Since you have already typed Monday, hover your mouse around here, your cursor will change to a plus sign, left click and drag. You can see Friday, Saturday, Sunday, then you leave it. Excel is going to fill the rest for you. So the ability for Excel to figure out the pattern of the days for you is what we call autofill. Okay, autofill list. This Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they have already been specified in Excel for you. Now, how did I know? That's what we call autofill list. Let me first show us. To get to autofill list, all you need to do is to go to file. See this, that go to file. When you go to file, the next thing is that you click on options. When you click on option, the next thing is to click on advanced. When you click on advanced, take your cursor around here, left click and drag, scroll down, you see chart, but that's not where we are going to. You will see display, but that's not where we are going to. You scroll down, you continue scrolling down, then you see general. You scroll down, formula, then you see general. This is general. So in the general, you're going to see edit custom list. So I'll click on edit custom list. You can see now Excel already have Sunday, Monday, January, February. So let me just click on OK. So that is the reason. Then let me click on OK. So that is the reason why whenever you type days or months in Excel, all you just need to do is to type one and Excel will fill it for you. The same way if I type January, I press enter. So I don't need to type February and the likes. I just need to left click and drag. You see January, February, March, April, May, June, July. I can still drag down July, August, September. You see, you can see it on the screen already. September, October, November, December. Excel is going to fill it for you. Even if I start from in the middle of the month, like saying March. Okay, if I start from March and I come here and I left click and I drag, so you see it will fill from March, April, May, June. The reason is because if I go to file, I go to options, I go to advanced, and I look for general. You look for general, look for your general, scroll down. This is general, and you click on your edit custom list. You can see that we already have months, January, February. That is because by default Excel creates a custom list for you. Okay, so that is what we mean. So and I click on OK. Let me go back. So that is what we mean by custom list. Okay, but let us say you want to now specify your own custom list in Microsoft Excel. So how can you do that? That is why we call it custom autofill. So all these things that you are seeing here from here to here, they are called autofill function in Excel. They are called what? Autofill function in Excel. So when you now want to customize the autofill list in Excel, when you now want to customize it, there are two methods you can use. You can use the new list option or you can use the import option. So let us start with using the new list option. Okay, so right about now, so all I just need to do is to go to let us say I want numbers. I want numbers in words. Okay, let's say I want numbers in words, and let's say I want numbers in words. Okay, so let me say I want numbers in words. So and I don't want to be typing them. All right, so all I just need to do is to go to file. So I go to file, I click on options. Don't forget, when you click on options, then you click on advanced. When you click on advanced, scroll down and look for general. scroll down and look for general. This is general. In the general, you're going to see edit custom list. So I'll click on edit custom list. Now I'm going to use the new list. So I'll click on the new list. So I'll click on the new list. Okay, you go to file, you go to general. So when you go to general, you are going to see edit custom list. So I'll click on edit custom list. So can you see this new list? Now in this new list, now I'm just going to type what I need. So I'm going to type 1, enter, 2, press enter, 3, press enter, 4, press enter, 5, press enter, 6, press enter, 7, press enter, 8, press enter, and 10. Press enter. This is my own custom list. This thing does not come with Excel, so this is the custom list I want to create. So all I just need to do is to click on add. When I click on add, it will be moved here to the ones that these are the ones Excel create by default. Then I'll click on OK. Then I'll also click on OK again. Now just watch me. Once I type, just like in the case of this one where we typed, where all we needed to do was to type, January, and then we left click and drag to fill for January to December. So all I just need to do here is to type 1, press enter. Just watch me. Then I'll just left click here, go to move my mouse around this place to change to a plus sign, left click and drag 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll leave it. You see, this means that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm the one that creates it. So that is why we call it custom autofill list, and I use the new list option. Okay, so all I just need to do is to go to file, go to options. When I go to options, go to advanced. When I go to advanced, I'll look for general. I'll look for general tab. So when I'll look for general, scroll down. This is the general. So under the general, I'm going to see edit custom list, and in this new list, you type the list of the custom list that you want to use. Let's say again I want to use another custom list by typing let's say I want to type east. I still want to use the new list. I'm using the new list. You can see it right here. I'm using the new list method now. So you can say east, you can say east, west, you can say north, and I can say south. Okay, east, west, north, and south. And I'll click on add. You click on add first, then you click on OK. Alright, then you click on OK again. So all I just need to do, so maybe I can see region here. Okay, I can just see, I'll just type east, the first one, east. I don't need to type north, west, and south. I'll just drag down east, north, west, and south, then I'll leave it. So that means that I've created my own custom auto list function. Now another way you can do this is by using the import option. To use the import option, all you need to do is to type out the list that you want to use. So I can come somewhere around here, and type out the list I want to use. Let's say I want to use the list for grade. Okay, I want to use excellent. Okay, I want to use excellent. I want to use very good, and I want to use excellent, very good, good. I want to use average, and I want to use poor, and I also want to create a custom list that can do Roman numerals. So I can say Roman numerals. You are going to type it. For you to use the import option, you make sure that you have typed it in Excel already. Okay, so to use the import option, you make sure that you have typed it already in Excel. So let's say I want to use the Roman numeral. I'll just say 1i, 2ii, 3ii, 4iv, 5v, 6vi, 7vii, 8, 7vi, 6vi, 7vi, vii, 8vii, 9ix, 10x. So let's say I want to specify, I want to create the custom list for Roman numeral and grade. So this time around, you notice that I've already typed it. I've already typed these two. I've already typed for grade and Roman numeral. That is when I can go ahead to use the import option. So I'll import all these things that I've typed into the custom list. So all I need to do is to go to file, then I'll go to options. When I go to options, I'll click on advanced. When I click on advanced, I'll look for the general option. This is cut and paste, image size, print chart, display, formula. I'll look for this is the general. So in the general, I'll click on edit custom list. Now instead of me to type out the list like I did before, like 1, 2, 3 and the likes, I don't need to type it. Okay, I don't need to type it because I've just teach us how you can use the new list option. This time around, I'm just going to use the import option. This is the import option. So I'll click on this place and I'll highlight the portion that I want to use. I'll move this one, left click and drag to move this one. Now I want to use this grid. I want to create a custom list for grid. So I'll just tap on the excellent that is here, left click and drag to this list. Then I'll click back inside this place. Then I'll click on import. Once I click on import, this excellent, very good, good, average and poor, it will come under the custom list. Okay, then I'll click on add, then I'll click on OK, then I'll click on OK again. Watch me. Let's say I want to type excellent here. Let's say I just type excellent. I want to create it as a custom list, like days of the week, Monday, Tuesday. So once I type excellent here, I will just left click and drag. See, average and poor. I will leave it. You see, that means that I've created my own custom list, like Monday. When we have Monday, MON. Okay, I can just left click this place and drag. That is Tuesday, Wednesday. So that means that I'm the one that created the custom list for excellent, very good, good, average and poor. Now that is using the import option. I also want to explain the import option using the Roman numerals. Okay, all I need to do again is to go to file, then go to what? Go to options. When you go to file, go to options, click on advanced. When you click on advanced, you look for the general. Scroll down. I'll look for the general. So I'm looking for the general. This is the general. This is the general. Under the general, I'll see edit custom list. In the edit custom list, it is this import option I want to use. So I'll click on inside this place. When I click inside this place, I'll just tap on this one, left click and drag. Since I want to use Roman numeral, tap inside it back. I'm tapping inside this place. Then I'll click on import. That is, I want to import this I1, I2 instead of me manually typing them using the new list option. So I'll just import it. Once I've imported it, I'll click on add. I've clicked on add, then I'll click on OK, then I'll click on OK again. So now just watch me. Let me create another sheet for us. Let's say I have numbering here. Let's say I have serial number here, and I don't want to enter I1, I2, I3. I don't want to enter it manually. So all I just need to do is to enter I1. Once I enter I1 and I want to drag to 10, just left click and drag. Can you see I3 and I4 to 10? Can you see the X? X means 10, then I'll leave it. So it means that I've formulated the custom list for these things. Okay, so I formulated the custom list for it. So because the default one that Excel will give you is the default one that is only present in Excel is for days and months. This number in words, we created it. Region, we created it. Grade, we created it. Roman numerals, we created it. So guys, that is all on this video. If you found this video useful, kindly please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, if you found this video useful, go below this video and click on the subscribe button so as to encourage learning, so as to encourage me to release more video, and so that when we release new videos, you will be the first person to be notified about it. All you need to do is to just go below this video and like this video and subscribe to this video, so that when we release new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Also, if you want to delete the custom list, probably maybe you do not need it again, okay, all you just need to do is to go to file, the same way, go to option. When you go to option, click on advanced. When you click on advanced, then you scroll down to look for your general. This is the general. Then you click on, when you are in your general, then you click on edit custom list. When you click on edit custom list, let's say I don't need this excellent and very good, I'll tap on it and you see this delete right here. I'll click on delete. Once I click on, they say list to be permanently, then I click on OK. Once I click on OK, then I'll click on OK again. Then I also click on OK again. Now if I type Now if I type it, you see that it is not going to work again. So if I type, let's say I type excellent and I try to drag down, I type excellent and I try to drag down, you see it will just be giving me excellent all through instead of it to give me excellent very good. That is because I have deleted it. Okay, if you know, normally look at this Roman numeral. Now if I type I1, I don't need to type I2, I just need to left click and I drag down. Once I left click and drag down, it is going to fill for me. You see I2, I3, I4, IV, VII. Then but if I don't want it again, just watch, if I don't want it again, I will go to file, then I will go to options. When I go to options, I'll click on advanced. When I click on advanced, I scroll down, I'll see my general, then I'll click on edit custom list. Then in this place, I'm just going to click delete. This is I1, I2, I'll just click delete. It's a list requirement, then I click on OK. Then I'll click on OK. Then I also click on OK. Now if I try to say I1, then if I try to say I1, then I left click and drag, it will just give me I1 all through because I've deleted the custom list that I've created. So guys, that is all on this video. If you found this video useful, once again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video content like this. Thank you and God bless you. See you in my next video.